All the even numbered rounds are worked with your contrast color marl. And for me, that's got orange and brown in it. On your needles, your design stitches should be in groups of 4. So here I have 2 pink ones, 2 orange ones. Here I have 2 pink ones, 2 blue ones. That also happens at the end of round. For some rounds, 2 of the stitches will be before the end of round marker and 2 of the stitches will be after the end of round marker. And when you work this, there are no cables. You knit all the background stitches and work all the contrast color design stitches. These first 2 stitches are in brown, and I have brown in my working marl, so I'm going to knit those through the back loop. My next 2 design stitches are purple, and I don't have those in my working marl, so I'm going to slip them both. These have 2 loops on the needles. They're background stitches. I'm going to knit them. Here's a pair of brown design stitches. I'm going to knit those through the back loop with brown only. Here I have some orange design stitches. Orange is in my working marl. I'm going to knit these through the back loop, knitting the background stitches. I don't have the pink in my working marl, so I'm going to slip them with my marl and back, and I just continue working this row in this way. I will be knitting through the back loop any design stitches that are in my contrast color marl, and I'll be slipping any design stitches that are in my main colored marl, and I'm knitting all the background stitches.